Why did you do that? Look, they have the jumbo squishies here.
They can have a brain.
Let's see that.
I want that so bad.
Sedona found Kids TV. Yeah!
That's creepy. Oh my god. Jeez. Oh. It's filled with wasps that kill you and devour you. Hey guys! It's me, Sedona, and Martha, and Sid, and Timmy, and
Saga.
and me. It moved. I saw it move. No! We're gonna try and find big giant squishies at Justice. Thank you guys for telling us. Yeah. The doll! Wow!
Oh my gosh, it scared me.
I was like,
I almost beat in my pants.
she was like this. She was like this. Glad I didn't have to go to the bathroom. Guys, one time at Justice, I saw if you spend $50 at Justice, you get a free kitty beanie. You do?
Okay, let's go. Wow.
It actually moves the neck. Well, it's only $99.99. Oh my god. Let's buy this for Martha. Let's buy this for Martha. This kind of looks like this. They're squishies! Squishies! No, they don't.
They do.
I'm like, no, they magic peel! Cool. Oh, don't film that.
They do have squishies, guys.
Hey, I didn't know they had squishies.
Nice. Look, they have squishies.
I want to sit in it. Can I please? I never had to sit in.
Bad baby Timmy is sitting in there. Look at the sleeping baby. That's cute. And they have crazy putty. No, that's thinking putty. Lots of them.
They have the world's smallest things. You can get an extra sketch of it. Whoa, those are cool. Yeah, I want to get so many of them. You can get the little telephone. Squish these. They're not like slowrising or anything, but they're like really satisfying to squish.
Oh my gosh, yeah.
I feel like there might be like play in it, kind of, you know?
Yeah.
Oh, I probably this is a squishy because
Look. They have nice splat balls here.
Excuse me, is this slime inside?
Not really. It's not slime, it's just this really weird putty.
It looks like Sid. We have to get it. We earn it back.
His mouth is crooked.
Yeah, but he looks like he's doing this. He doesn't
Show me.
oh my god, heaven right now.
Let me see that.
Oh, what the heck is this?
Oh.
This is so weird. It's on the screen. Look,
Oh yeah.
look, this looks
Tiny
so
heads.
weird.
Tiny headed.
Yeah, it's kind of ugly. It is. It's really ugly.
Show me the sloth.
Look at this.
Look at how cute. It is.
Oh, look at the Shopkin thing.
Ah.
Sana, you should go as this as for Halloween. You should...
She's gonna go as Pennywise.
No,
She's gonna be Pennywise.
I'm gonna go as a hamburger.
Timmy, zip tied his hands together.
Just do it, okay?
Why did you do that?
Okay, Timmy, which sloth do you want?
No, we are not buying them today. What are you gonna do now, huh? Timmy.
Make it tighter.
Oh boy. Okay, yeah, I got you. Are there zip ties out there over there?
Yeah, they were zip ties on the floor.
Thank you.
Cool, sure thing.
Thank you.
Yeah.
Guys, there's a... Look! Voodoo stress doll.
Voodoo! Wait, what is voodoo? I've on it. I don't know what voodoo is. A voodoo doll is when you put...
There's another one.
Do you know what voodoo dolls are? So it's like slowrising. Chucky did this once, and he was stabbing a voodoo doll, and then it killed a person because voodoo dolls get to do horrible things to it.
Oh, look!
Wait, so this is a voodoo doll?
There-
I opened it. Wait,
More-
whoa, it's filled with oobleck.
Stop! Why did you open it?
How do you make one?
You can make one from anything.
Excuse me.
Piece of wood.
Can we stick needles in this? For real, or what?
No, don't stick needles in
Wait,
there.
can I see this real quick? Oh, there's a cookie in the back. I don't have this one. Don't you guys have the cookie?
Yeah, we have the cookie.
You know, did you see they have new Halloween ones? The orb?
Yeah, I've seen it in Harmony's video. but I haven't seen them in the
I
stores.
know, I want to get one so bad. I mean, like, seriously.
They should be out for Halloween
I
now.
know, that's what I'm thinking.
They have a jumbo ones. Why are they all over the place?
Like, they're putting them in random places.
Yeah, there's some at the front, some over there.
They're kind of dense and not that polarizing, so I mean.
Let's see. Yeah, they are.
And I bet they're soft.
Oh, you can't even squish them. My hand is hurting.
Yeah, I know. Earlier I
Let's
fell
see.
into a rock. You can't really see
Hold
it
on.
now.
Oh,
Oh my gosh, they have LOL dolls!
look, they have the jumbo squishies here. But they are so hard. They're really hard to squish.
Mama, look, they have an LOL doll! Do you know
Yeah,
what
show
LOL
me.
dolls is? No. Well, I've heard of them and I've there's 7 layers of surprises and you're supposed to peel this. And they're so amazing. Cool. Secret message, collectible stickers, bottles, shoes, outfit, accessory, and doll. Add water for another surprise. Oh my gosh. Add water for another surprise. Look, this looks so cute. Like this I want to get 3.
Oh,
I want to like cut this open if I got it. But they're $11.99.
oh wow. This feels good.
I know this one is so good. There's a blue one. They have this one feels nice too. I like that one.
Okay, everybody pick one little thing. How much is LOL?
It's $11.99. Thank you so much, Mommy, for getting this. She got me one, so I'm very thankful.
Yeah, he's cute.
You're trying to push.
Yeah.
This is magnetic putty.
Mhm.
And watch how magnetic it is. You know
Oh,
how
yeah.
it just sticks to it. Look, it says mixed by the thinking putty. Martha, look. They're all sticking to it. Oh, I love that one. I love these. I like this one and that one. They're like $20. Martha, look. I like Martha. Look, I like the liquid glass. I want that one so bad.
Let's go to Justice, guys. It's right there.
They have a
Ooh.
breakfast pillow. Oh, I love these.
They're nice.
Oh, Mama, look! I love these kitty ears. They have bubble back here. I love. This is like.
Hi. Thank you.
love.
Yeah. Thank you.
Oh my gosh.
Wow.
Oh my gosh. That's a lot.
Yeah.
They're so
Wow. Oh my gosh, they're so slowrising. Why does it have his head cut off?
Oh my.
Why does this still? What is that?
Look at how big this is. I think that's a cat. Oh my gosh.
Oh, that's a. Oh my.
Is that a?
I'm like. Oh look.
Oh, look at that. That's sad.
Oh.
Okay, well, is it a mermaid cat? Because there's
Yeah,
mermaid cat.
but I didn't get it. I was like, there's a half head missing.
I love the milk.
Yeah.
I like this one.
Let's see that.
I love this.
This is so soft. I like this
Look
too.
at the ice cream. I want to get this.
Wow.
Had you like cat?
Yeah.
That's a good
What else they have? They have milk.
milk.
Timmy, you want milk?
It's scented. Yeah.
It is.
Scented.
Oh, what a shame that this one's broken. That is so adorable.
Sure, I think. Oh, that's. Ooh, what about that one? That.
Let's see if
Ooh,
they.
I like that one. It's pretty slow, I think.
How much are they?
$50. They are $15.
$15.
That's a lot. Ridiculous. Headless cat. They can have a brain. Brainless.
Okay.
I like these.
I think we should just get like one each.
World's smallest backpack. They actually might. I mean, just. I would never buy this. Chill, you know.
I know you wouldn't, Timmy.
It's so small. These are like $30.
So don't you want this one?
Look at these slippers. Which one should I get though? I like them both. I don't know.
Does this one have a face?
Mommy,
I mean,
It's Kitty's house.
I mean, this one has a face, and I have seen ice creams like this before.
But like the other ones are like super expensive. She's bigger than the house.
Do eeny, meeny, miny, mo.
Eeny, meeny. I was thinking.
Timmy.
Okay, so I'm just gonna. You put one.
Meow, mommy.
Every day.
Mommy.
You should. Oh my god. Okay, trick or treating poop.
Where? Up there?
Yes.
Why is it trick and treating?
Because you want poop candy. Has this cat merch.
You love this?
Mom. I like the one next to it. Mom.
This one? But I'm thinking which one like matches your room. This is cute. You know your room colors? It's green and pink.
Has this cat merch.
Oh yeah. That's a grumpy cat, isn't it?
No, that cat.
It's a grumpy cat. Let's pay. Did you choose?
Yeah, I chose that one. I'm leaving.
Wait, sweetie.
I love this one.
Yeah, but I'm thinking about your room color.
These are slippers. I mean, like, seriously.
I don't really like his face. Sit down.
They have sloth underwear. This one.
Oh yeah, they do have sloth underwear. Funny.
The awesome alien Zelda.
Alright, we'll try to dress up. Alright? Alright, look.
Wait, I'm just gonna like do this as blush. Oh my god. So I'm just putting eyeshadow on, and I think that this is way too much. I don't know. So I need a wipe.
Get it out.
I can't.
Get it out.
I can't.
What do you mean? They have wipes there.
They don't have wipes.
Ask.
No, I can't ask. I'm gonna be like, excuse me, do you have wipes? Oh my god, Mom, we have to get that. Mom.
The glowing S?
Yeah, it's my mom's. It's my mom's.
Yeah, this is mine.
Touch this. Oh, it smells. Touch this.
Let's see that.
I want that so bad. This one's all
This
like.
one. It's so soft. Let's see this.
Okay. I like this one.
Oh wow, it's
I love
so
this one.
satisfying.
Okay, good. Look at. Oh, smell it. Oh, can I smell it? It smells like a normal headless cat. He doesn't have a brain. Oh, I love it.
I thought it was.
I like that. So soft. This one is so soft. So soft. Like an actual squishy because it's like kind of sticky too.
Chubby though.
This one's not that surprising, but I don't
His
care.
tail is glued to his thing. I feel so bad.
Rip it off. I do
No.
I'm gonna put mine in my squishy in the.
There you go.
Black bag.
Wow.
Yeah, so
I like how you
I'm
squish,
going to
Timmy.
Springs Preserve for like a trick or treat thing, and I can take this.
Timmy
I won't have my special.
What do you want to put it in my basket? Basket.
Can I feel it real quick? I don't know.
She just ripped it. I didn't know.
I want to get Adidas shoes. Ooh, I want to get Converse or Adidas. Bye guys. Thank you so much for watching this video. Make sure to like, subscribe, and comment down below which was your favorite part of the video. Bye guys. We love you. Bye. Bye guys.
Subscribe to Pickle Snickelfritz too.
I'm a nice gal.